everyone present here. My name is Madhuri Pandey and my group number is 40. The topic of today, can war really bring peace, is quite a thought-provoking one. It took me some time to realize my stand. Most of us profess what we never practice. We keep talking on peace in country, better to attain peace in our own life. But given a choice, we are the first ones to adapt peace. This turmoil was going into my mind and that took away all my peace. And that time, I realized that yes, war can never bring peace to anyone. So, I can't ask you for the thing that you don't have, as we can't give what we don't have. It's like you can't make someone smile if you don't know how to smile. Thinking to establish peace through war is just like talking of extracting happiness from absolute darkness. I would like to share one incident that took place in my life just a day before. I was discussing this topic with my elder sister, and in the beginning it was just a simple discussion. Eventually it grew to heated arguments, and ultimately it became war of words. And we were definitely not at peace. For a time being, let's suppose that yes, war can bring peace. Then, for the first time, for the first war that took place in the world would have established peace all over the world. But it is not so. We had First World War, then Second World War followed, and even today, world is witnessing violence and war in various forms, whether it is burning ISIS, the Al-Qaeda, the Taliban, or the Philippines. We are still not in peace and harmony. We are still not in peace and harmony. Though the war is there, with enormous destruction and casualties, but are we able to live peacefully? No. Peace has never come from dropping bombs. Peace has never come from dropping bombs. The truth is that what goes around comes around. If we are having war, we will have to face the dire consequences of that, as Nagasaki and Hiroshima are. When war begins, the hell opens even on